morning, welcome to episode 6. Today we are installing our Max Air fan. I'm going to be cutting the hole. This is the frame I've used for the template. I have taped up where I'm going to cut. The aperture is 35 by 35 centimeters. Just double check that again on the measurement over here. Find a good spot for it. It's slightly off center because I'm going to have the shower in this corner and this is going to be just straight above the cooker. I've got a little rib here, so I'm just going to go on the edge of that, which means it's nice and straight. And then on the edge of these little ribs here as well. Some other things you'll need: squares and tape, Max Air fan instructions, screws that you need, some butyl tape, you'll need a jigsaw, a drill to make a pilot hole, and then eventually some Sikaflex and just some drill bits. Brand new DeWalt jigsaw, looking really nice. So it's not the squarest hole, but the fan fits and it's okay if it's a little bit wider. You can't see what's under there, so that's fine, not a problem. And it's starting to rain here in England. Really make 100% sure that you get rid of all the filing dust because that's going to cause fly rust. So I got rained out yesterday, new day, and it's a glorious day here in England. For this little lip here, I'm going to have to fill something under there. So what I'm going to try and achieve is use this piece of wood, place it under here and use it to fill the void. It's going to have to be shaped a little bit to fit under the rim. I'm going to Sikaflex it down and then that will go on top of it. So that's the plan. I'm going to have to taper this off a little bit and just keep doing it slowly until it fits nicely, so that this is all that remains. And we'll see if that works. That's better, but still needs to have a little bit more off, I think. I think it's pretty good now. So here's our piece of wood, primed. And here I've just taped up and applied some Sika. I'm using Sikaflex 512. It's really good because it sticks and because it's flexible, so it allows a little bit of movement and it's good for UV as well. I'm super happy with that. Apply the butyl tape onto the frame itself directly, just on the edge of this middle lip here. Apply some Sika to all the holes as well, just to make sure we don't get any leaks. That's not too bad. First bead of Sika. I'm going to let that set and then I'll probably do a final bead. While this wooden piece sets, I'm just going to let that dry, and then once everything's dried, then I'll put in the last screws here and then it'll be secured. So the Sika has set now and I'm ready to screw in some screws. So these are the standard issue screws, and as you can see they're just a little bit too short to go through the wood and the ceiling. So I have gotten a few longer ones and I'm just going to put those through, and hopefully that should secure it nicely. And then I'll go around one more time and seal everything up with a bit more Sika. I've really struggled to get these holes lined up on the side, and actually have to take this clip off a little bit and raise it up, the middle piece, and then it's a lot easier to line up the actual fan with these holes. Fan installed. I'm really happy with the outcome. All sealed, all secure, all straight. It's not going to be wired up just yet, but I'm super happy that that's in. Just put a little bit of Sika on the inside as well, just to make certain that we're not going to get any water coming in. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoy my content, then subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications, and you can also check me out on my other social media platforms, Sherma Shoots on Instagram and Sherma Shoots on Facebook. Thank you very much, guys. See you later.